So, this is my 407 Coupe. This is so I bought the car for AC repair. So for the one now, the car I've been having gas leak. So if I put a can, like 400 grams of gas, it doesn't even last a week. So far, hold on, let me check what it is. So I've been able to trace, this is the old one that was removed. So it's actually swelled up somewhere here. So, and when I put it, I could see, it had broken inside. So, I have to change this and put a new one. And this is the expansion valve. I've been considering to change it, but they advised me not to get a new one, but they do come in pieces. I don't know, I'll research on that, because I suggested the used one. The thing about used one is 7 on, they are not really that great. Out of 10, only 2 might be working well. I mean the AC. So why buy a used one that might be among those ones that will not work well? So that's who knows, but I'll leave it for now. So this one, let's see what happens. So that is it. And the gas, I've not decided which gas to use. I'll make up my mind after they are done with it. Alright.